Welcome to CAD Cafe. In this video, I'm going to make this 3D model using Solidworks. For that, create a new part. And you can see we can revolve this portion. Okay. For that, we need to create this half portion of the sketch. The length is 110 from this point to this point, and the arc is of radius 20. Select front plane, sketch, and choose corner rectangle. Smart dimension. This length is 55 and this length is 40 mm. Click this point, press Ctrl and select this point. Make this relation as coincident. And okay. We need to create this arc of radius 20. For that, select circle and draw like this and trim those unwanted lines. We need to create this arc of radius 100. For that, select 3-point arc and click on this point and click on any other point on the same line here and click here. Select these 2 points and make its relations as horizontal. Okay. Select smart dimension. The length between these 2 points should be 110 and the radius is 100 mm. Okay, and choose line and close this sketch and trim those unwanted lines. Select fully defined sketch and press calculate. See it's fully defined. Okay, and select features, revolved boss, and select this line. See it's revolved around this line and select OK. Now it's done and we need to draw this sketch. For that, we need to draw the 2 circles of radius 45 and radius 20. For that, select top plane, sketch, and select circle. Choose this point, circle radius 45 and another one of radius 20. Okay, the width is 20 mm. Choose center rectangle and click anywhere in between this line and click here. Select smart dimension and make this width as 20 mm and trim entities and remove those unwanted lines here also. Okay, need to create an arc of center point arc and click here, here and here. So, and trim those unwanted lines also. Okay, and select this sketch. We need to make it a circular pattern, so that select circular pattern. See, it's automatically done based on this point and click OK. And features, extruded cut. We need to cut those portion, so through all both. See, it will cut on both sides and press OK. See, it's done. Now from this center portion to the end, the length is 135 mm. So from the right plane, we need to create offset reference plane of 135 mm. For that reference plane, select right plane 135 and press OK and select this plane, sketch See, the diameter of this circle is 40 mm. So choose circle, select the origin point and of radius 20. Tick mark. We need to extrude this. For that, click extrude boss, and we need to reverse this direction by clicking this and select up to surface and select this surface. See, it's extruded up to that surface and click tick and it's done. And we need to give the fillet radius. Okay, for that select fillet and select these two edges and see the dimension is not given, so we can assume it as 55 mm. Press OK. See, it's done and we can off the planes. The final step is that we can apply the appearance. For that, edit appearance and choose any color as you want. Now it's the fillet is selected in the boss. Select clear selection and select that part. See, it's applied all over the part. You can choose any color. See, it's applied and press tick mark. Now it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe CAD Cafe for more updates.